don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh, so good it hurts. I don't want it. I gotta have it. Uh-oh, when I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it.
All out, turn the beat up. Hey, now I'm glad to meet ya. Turn up, girl, blow the speaker. Yeah, think about it now, blow the speaker. I'll speak louder, let's get wild tonight. Billionaire bottles, we just down. I'm like, ain't no problem, all my wrongs are right. Alright, alright, I don't like it, I love it. I got another coming in my budget. I got an anaconda in my trusty. Don't push it, don't push it, cause I'ma hit it till I jackpot. That's right, wax on, baby, wax off. Act like you can put it on the black card. All night and I'll spend it, I'll spend it.
I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh, so good it hurts. I don't want it. I gotta have it. Uh-oh, when I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it.
Happy family. She was the very first granddaughter of Guevara family. She gives joy to their home when she giggles her cries out loud. But time passed by so fast. Now, their little princess had grown into a young lady. Through her 18th year of celebrating her birthday, she wanted to return in gratitude to each and every people who wanted her to be.
Meron pa dito na helicopter? Okay, ayos lang yan. Ang importante na nalamin kayo dito sa Momentos event na ating Dominicanos. Let us give ourselves a round of applause. Let us acknowledge the presence of the Dominicanos family. For without them, this celebration would not be possible. Palakpakan po natin yung Guevara family. Okay, thank you. Let us also welcome and give a round of applause to ourselves dahil nakapit tayo despite our very complicated schedule. Okay, lalo na yung mga estudyante dahil final week ngayon. Am I correct? Exam ba ba ngayon? During college days? Okay. And welcome din natin per table ang mga guests. Table number 1, 2. Okay, thank you. Okay, mukhang hindi ba nag-get over ang ibang participants due to heavy traffic? Okay, mag-relax muna tayo. To give us icebreaker, please welcome Miss Patricia Giselle Gonzalez. Let us give her a round of applause.
We can't stop.
Ito na si Patricia.
We won't stop.
Let us give her a round of applause.
I know Diane, you're there. Happy 18th birthday, and this song is sort of a promise to you as a friend, as a classmate, and as a ate in our black session. So hope you like it.
We are friends.
strive to survive. And just step high and tall. Make sure you give your all. If you ever fall, know that I'm right here. Don't you worry, no. Stick on your side. Don't you worry, don't worry, no, no. The struggle will never end. Just know that we'll meet again, and we'll always be together forever, always. I am here, find me in the sky, dancing in the moonlight. Your heartbeat is disguised as my lullaby. Be happy and know that I'm watching you travel far apart, waiting for us to meet again. We'll always be together. Don't you worry, I'll always be by your side. Don't you worry, the circle will never end. Just know that we'll meet again, and we'll always be together forever, always. I am here if you need me, I've been away, look so different. I'm in the sky. If you need me, the heavens will send a message We'll always be together. Don't you worry, I'll always be by your side. Don't you worry, the struggle will never end. Just know that we'll meet again, and we'll always be together forever, always. Oh, I am here, I am here, I'm only here for you, Dayan. Happy, happy birthday. Please. Okay, nandito na sila.
Okay, this is your question. Huwag kayo magdala isang question lang to. So, walang kopyahan ng sagot, ha? So, first question, kaano-ano mo si Dayan and what do you think is special about her character? So, sa Ubeles family muna tayo.
Si Dayan, pinsan ko, and simula bata, nakita ko siya ng sweetness, and syempre, maganda.
Okay, thank you po sa classmate ko from high school.
Si Dayan po, pamangkin/pinsan.
Classmate, kapitbahay. Special po kay Dayan, napaka-creative niya, tapos sobrang lawak ng imagination niya. Na minsan, nakakapagtaka kasi, ang dami niyang iniisip. Tapos, ayun lang. So, from college. Classmate ako ni Dayan and best friend sa friend. Special kay Dayan, feeling ko, basta ang weird niya. Weird in a good way. Tsaka, kaya nga sabi niya, ang lawak ng imagination niya. Okay, thank you so much po. So, kung iba-iba, pare-pareho, depende sa mga sagot o pagkakakilala natin kay Dayan. But there are things that we don't know about her yet. Let us together find out how beautiful she grew from a cute little princess to a fine young woman. Say the day. Okay, so let us now all welcome our debutant. Please welcome Dayan Vergara.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feel it.
Once again, a round of applause for our debutant for this evening.
I have my money. Let's spend it up. Go out and smash it. Like oh my God. Jump up, let's go. Let's get it. Oh, I know you will have a ball. Get down, go out and just do it all. I feel stressed, I don't wanna let it go. Let's go way out, spaced out, losing all control. Fill up my cup, Mazel tov. Look at her dancing, just take it off. Let's make the town, we'll shut it down. Let's burn the roof, yeah, we'll do it.
Okay, to give us a spectacular performance, please welcome them with the debutants. Before we proceed to the 18 Roses, let us watch together this video of our younger moments. Okay, let us proceed to the Cotillion de Honor. Are the dancers ready? Okay. In that video from his napakaganda yung story. Okay, let's proceed to the Cotillion de Honor. Are the Cotillions ready? Okay, i-clear lang yung space. Cotillioners, please be prepared. Please welcome the cotillions. Let us give them a
Our next 18 roses is Mr. John Kevin Porcelo. Our next 18 roses is Mr. Jason de la Cruz. Our last and final 18 roses is Mr. Jennifer Guevara, to be represented by Mr. Fernando Guevara. Okay, thank you very much to our 18 roses. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat.
Okay, before we move on with the 18 candle, Madrigal. May we call on Kennedy to render us a heartfelt performance. May we request all the masks to be removed.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Dayan.
Okay, let us give them a round of applause. Okay, now may we call on the 18 candles to line up the stage when you wish for Dayan. For the first candle, may we call on Miss Irish and Oberes.
Nakabahan ako na. Hindi ko tapos kung sila ng kote ko. Happy birthday. Yung 4. Pero, happy birthday. Ay, hindi ka lang. Sorry. 12 years ago, grade 1 ako, tapos umuulan na. Pinakilala sa akin ni agency dahil na pamangkin ko daw. Tapos nagtataka ako kasi halos magkailan lang kami. Tapos simula nun, lagi na kami naglalaro sa bahay. High school came, classmate kami since first year to fourth year. Magkasama sa mga kalokohan, taga-pakit ko siya kailang mga sa mga kalikasan. Pag-first year college, nag-umpisa yung puyat days namin. Minsan inaabot kami ng madaling araw, kakapanood ng Korean novela. Hindi ko to alam yung iba. Tapos kinabukasan, yun yung pag-uusapan namin ng hapon. O kaya naman, nabutin kami ng 5 AM, kakakwentuhan, kakatawa, or kakatrowback namin. We shared laughter, drinks, fear. Yung mga kinainisan namin bao, kaya sabay kaming mga okay. Si Dayan ko yung taong tahimik lang. Noon, tahimik lang pag may dinadamdam. Kailangan ikaw yung makakaramdam na naiinis na siya. Pero sobrang supportive ng kaibigan. Lagi na akong minomotivate na sumayaw daw. Kahit wala lang talaga po akong talent na sumayaw. Ayun. Hindi ko na text ko na lang yung iba. Happy birthday, Dayan. Nakita ko kung gano'n mo kamahal yung pamilya mo, si Kay kung gano'n mo siya kaalagaan. Sana hindi magbago. And sana matupad lang ang pangarap mo, yung mga friendship goals natin. Ayun lang. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Irish. Next is Papa.
Request po natin yung mga mag-wish, huwag po munang aalis sa hanapan for picture taking. So our next 18 candles is Miss Kathleen Joy Zamora. May we request our wishes to make it shorter kasi gagawin po tayo pagkain. Thank you.
First of all, happy birthday, and this is short na. Kasi hindi talaga ako mag-prepare ng basta lumili sa sulat. So, ang wish ko na lang, sana, di ba, third year na kayo, kasi everybody na ako. Tapos, isang taon na lang, gagraduate na kayo. So, sana maabot mo na yung mga pangarap mo, lalo-lalo na yung gusto mo sa model. Yun, basta ano ko lang sa'yo, maging successful ka, di ba? Tsaka sana makahanap ka na ng happiness mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
The next one is Joanna Mandulato.
Hi Dayan, happy 18th birthday. Once upon a time, there was a princess. Her name is Princess Diana. But because of reality, she called herself Dayan. So yun. Feeling ko, natupad na yung isa sa mga pangarap mo. So, super yung fireworks ha. Pasabog. So yun. Please Dayan. Alam ko na high school life is just a season. Parte lang siya. Pero sana yung mga goals natin, mga friendship goals natin, sana isama mo pa rin kami doon. In yun lang, I love you.
Next one, Miss Faye Perez.
Hi Dayan, happy birthday. Yung si Dayan po, siya sa mga extraordinary na nakakilala ko. Kasi wala ako yung imahinasyon niya, mga ganon. Tsaka minsan, mga imahinasyon namin sa mga bagay-bagay, mga future namin, pag-iisipan namin. Tapos yun, sana wish ko sa'yo, alam ko naman magiging successful ka sa future. Tsaka, yun, happy birthday.
Okay, thank you, Faye. The next one, Miss Jacqueline Juan.
Hi! Happy birthday, Diana Clara Guevara. Unang-unang magkikita natin nung first year. Alam mo na yun, hindi ka sasabihin. Medyo delikado. Bale, ngayon ang ganda-ganda mo, parang naalala ko ikaw yung sa Miss United Nation, ganyan din yung kulay ng damit mo, Miss Nepal. Bale, alam ko naman na lahat ng pangarap mo, matutupad mo sa guidance ng parents mo, ng mga may kwentong kaibigan, at saka yung decision mo ba, yung puso mo. Kasi alam ko naman na bukod sa kagandahan ng panlabas mo, maganda din yung panloob mo. Medyo weird ka nga lang talaga. At saka masyado yung imagination mo hindi namin ma-reach eh. Parang out of this world talaga. Kaya, Dayan, I love you so much. Hindi ka lang kami palagi as your ate. Kasi nga ikaw nang araw huli mong bebe ko sa atin. Nakakatanda, di ba? Happy birthday. Tsaka mag-ingat ka palagi.
Okay, thank you, Jacqueline. The next one, Miss Maricar Maestre.
Ayun. Belated happy birthday yan. Thank you for inviting me sa Bongga-Bong debut. First of all, thank you kay Tita Pat dahil nagpalaki siya ng isang napakaganda at understanding ate per day. Kapag sinabi ko kasing Dayan, kasunod na po yung salitang almost perfect. Nasa kanya na po kasi lahat ng hinahanap ng isang lalaki. Napakaganda, napakatalino, dedicated sa lahat ng ginagawa, at nasa kanya rin yung strength and courage na abutin lahat ng pangarap niya. Thank you sa 7 years, almost 7 years nating friendship since high school. Dahil hindi ko pa rin ako nakakalimutan. Tsaka, I admire you. Isa sa hinahangaan ko kasi napakatalino mo pagdating sa love. Kasi ikaw yung ang lawak ng isip mo, yung imagination mo, at saka you know your priorities well. And just continue to be a God-fearing child. And just count on me, and I always I'll be there. Sorry.
Okay, thank you, Maricar. The next one is Philip and Francia.
First of all, Dayan, happy birthday. Kakarating ko lang actually. Halata naman. So, yun yan. Wala akong body. Kasi hindi na talagang birthday. So, yun. Ang ipagpamalaki ko lang kasi is elementary days na high school, mga ganyan tipo. Hindi po tayo nalang natira sa elementary friends natin. Yung tayo dalawa na lang. Andyan pala si Jason. Tapos ayun, hindi ko naalala mo ba yung mga naglalaro tayo na Uno, yung mga yung kala Ira, kala Andrea. Tapos ayun, I know you sa pagiging mysterious girl. Yung hindi yung magsasalita ka kagad ng nararamdaman. i-observe mo muna kung ano talaga yung tama, kung ano yung mali. Which is yun yung sinabi nila na you are almost perfect. Kung hindi lang ganda, yun hindi lang ganda yung ano mo, madaling ako din, mabait, o din on, masipag. So, yun nga yung sabihin, gusto ko lang kayo nila. Pero, ang ganda mo.
Kaya ko pa lang. Basta, ano.
Kaya ko pa lang. Happy birthday,
Kaya pa lang.
Okay, the next one, Miss Laura Joy Santos.
Sorry.
Thankful ako kasi nakarating ako ngayon kahit na supposedly hindi. Happy birthday and thank you sa friendship na binuo natin simula first year hanggang ngayon. And sana mag-continue yun till the world end. Sige, happy birthday, I love you yan. Hindi ko na papakain, na-text ko na lang.
Okay, the next one, Miss Kim Lea May Bravo.
Hi, Val. I'm taking your birthday as an opportunity to thank you for all that you are to me. I will never forget the support you given. Yun. Good luck and stay pretty like me. Wait lang. Ayun ba? Hindi ko na kaya ng English. Ayun. Good luck. Thank you. I love you for now.
Okay, the next one is Crystal May Hemadi.
Belated happy 18th birthday, Dayan. Ganda ko mahilig sa'yo kasi hindi complete package ka na. Maganda, hindi ko naman kaya kasi bully ka rin eh. Meron na ako yung high school days na hinila mo pa ako, wala ka na sumagakanda kasi huwag mo ako. So, yung sa'yo, happy 18th birthday. I love you.
Okay, the next one is Bea Susa Villarreal. Okay, the next is actually Abayabay.
Hello, B. Happy 18th birthday ka na rin ito ngayon. Ayun. Almost 3 years na tayo. Okay. Alam ko ang dami mong dreams at masaya ako kasi unti-unti mo na yung natutupad. Isa to, syempre. Tapos, sana magiging magkaibigan pa tayo kahit nag-graduate tayo. Kahit na magiging famous ka. Diyan. Ayun, I love you.
Okay, the next one is Raymel Duero.
And belated happy birthday, Dayan. Ayun, sana lahat ng dreams mo manuman, no matter how crazy and big they are. Sana maging happy ka this day, remember this day forever, and tiyak mo siya. Ayun, ano sasabihin ko? Happy birthday, I love you to the moon and back, and 100 times more. So yun, I love you, baby.
Okay, the next one is Rosemary Grace Pineda.
Good evening sa inyong lahat. Wala po si Roma pero ako po yung magbabasa ng letter na. nang mag-aalala, babasahin naman dyan. Masyado akong busy dahil may photoshoot pa ako. Yung gift ko, tsaka na pag nagkita tayo. Sinay kong gumawa ng video, kaso mukha akong ewa. Dahil kay Bianca and friends. Hindi ko in-influensyahan si Rika kung hindi man siya makakapunta. Thank you for everything. Lahat, alam kong hindi ka na magbabago. Ganyan ka na forever. Mahal ka ng secret group natin. Solidong matutog. Ganda kasi natin. Huwag ka sana maiinis sa akin. Nakikita ko yung best friend mo. Ay, best friend ni SpongeBob. Naaalala kita bigla. Dorian ka ba? Kasi ano mo na. Love, love, love. Mama, chup-chup. Ayun, so ako yung ex kay Roma. Good evening ulit. Dayan, happy 18th birthday. Dalaga ka na. Pero alam ko sa Monday, bata ulit tayo. Third year na tayo, pero yung kilos natin, elementary pa. Sabi nga nila, wala kaming panama sa years ng mga high school friend mo, almost 5 years, 7 years, pero kami 3 years pala. Sinasabi ko nga sa kanila, wala naman yan sa haba, nasa lalim yan. Boom! Dayan, isa ka sa pinakabaliw kong classmate. Ngayon ko lang ito sasabihin. Kasi naalala ko dati, sabi mo niligawan mo ko, natatakot talaga ako sa'yo. Kasi chinachat mo ako, binibigyan mo ako ng letter almost 1 week. Natatakot na ako sa'yo. Pero alam naman natin lahat na si Dayan, kahit ganyan niya kaganda, napakabaliw. Napaka-short ako na isa ka sa in-invite mo dito, ibig sabihin special ako sa'yo. Ayun, happy birthday, I love you.
Okay, the next one is Jerry Beltran. Okay. The next one is Maylene Topacio. Okay, Miss Rochelle Bianca Soriano.
Hi Dayan, happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best in life, that yung happiness, meron ka ganyan, then sobrang thankful ako sa inyo, ng team ko ba, ng solid matatag. Basta yung friendship natin, diba? Mahal naman ko kayo guys, kahit sumusok-sok kayo pala ibigay. I love you!
And the last but not the least, Miss Divina Redonda.
Wala na akong masabi sa'yo bukod sa nasa ako, nasabi na nilang lahat. Halos araw-araw naman tayo magkasama. Halos araw-araw naman kita nakakausap. Yung tipong pagpasok ko pala sa school, asan si Dayan? Yung mga ganun. So yun, very thankful ako na naging friend kita kahit na nung iba yan, halos i-box na tayo pag magkasama tayo. Yung mga ganun, yung ayaw nila tayong pagsamahan. Pero thank you talaga dahil naging friend kita. Thank you kasi nakikinig sa mga jokes ko, mga ganun. Tapos, yun, sana matupad na lahat ng wishes mo. At alam ko natupad na ito ngayong gabi ko. Sana sa pagtupad ng wishes mo kasama ka rin ako. Okay, 18th birthday, love you.
Okay, let us now have the candles to be lighted to make the wishes come true. stand up. Let us sing together a happy birthday to the debutante of the night. Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday just for you. Okay, once again, a round of applause to our debutante.
Okay, may we call on Emily James Cabrera for the 18 booths. Sancho, Gerald Maniquez, Patricia Gonzalez, Joe Marie Bautista, Johnny Kiambao, Eduardo Magudot, Jamaica De Rama, Christopher Dalai, Stephanie Sibayan, William Rubion, Kimberly Ramos, Brent Adriano, and the last but not the least, Emilio Omeres. Okay, who among you wants to give a short message to the debutante?
One representative lang.
Okay. Where's the mic?
So, happy 18th birthday since 18 books ito. I think it's my first time going having 18 books, but it is, I think, inspiring something for you na sa mga friends mo na humingi ng idea for what to read on the future days. So, I hope na magustuhan mo yung mga books na to, and all of them, I think it's novel or inspirational, but we hope that you like it, you read it, and alam ko yung mga nagbabasa lalo tumatalino. So, nakakatakot kayo, matalino ka na, tatalino ka. But, yeah, lagi ka magpasalamat sa Diyos, and sa mga librong ko, I hope na maging mas mabuti ka pang woman of faith, woman sa family mo and to your friends. So, let's wish Darren a happy birthday. So, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Okay, give the books to Liam. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Asilio.
K-pop group, the Saint2H. A round of applause to our Saint2H.
Saan tayo? Saan naman? Wait, saan?
하지마 네가 그럴 때마다 미칠 것 같아 내 눈을 보며 살짝 웃어주며 달려가는 너라 걸로 같아 하지마 이기하면 미칠 것 같아 내 머리 잡아 걸로 같아
Okay, let's give them a round of applause. Okay, that was amazing. Let us give them once again a round of applause. Okay, mukhang nasiyahan naman ang ating celebrant sa naganap na dance number. Am I right? Okay, Dayan. Nakakausap ba natin ang ating debutante? Okay. Okay, after that performance, let us now resume to the 18 treasures. Okay, may I please call on stage the 18 treasures to share with us how they relate to Yan with their surprising gifts.
Okay, bago tayo mag-18 books, the dinner is ready. So yung mga table, by table na lang po yung pila. Pwede na pong pumila.
Okay, while the food is being served, let us proceed to the 18 chargers. Okay, may we call on Jennifer Pedres. Okay, the next one, Rich Ann Roque. The next one, Ana Selena Duban. John Michaela Cater.
John Michaela Cater, Maureen Garcia, Jumeline Navarro, Ashley Aranas. Nasa na po yung mga ito, yung mga treasures. Antoinette Marcelo. Shara Garcia. Miss Shani Gaila. Dr. Ekelwood Olivar. Please tayo naman po kayo dito sa gitna para sabay-sabay po yung picture taking. Dito po. Tapos isang representative po para magbigay ng wish kay Dayan. Ika Maylin. Maylin.
Hello. Okay. Happy 18th birthday, Dayan. Ngayon, 18 ka na. Talaga na. Marami ka na ngayong pagkakataon na abutin ang iyong mga pangarap. At syempre, huwag mong kakalimutan ang iyong pamilya. Kahit na maging busy ka man, ay nang huwag naman mong kakalimutan kasi ay nang nagpapatibay sa atin, sa relationship ng ating pamilya. So, happy 18th birthday, God bless, lahat ng pangarap mo sana magkapag mo.
Okay, thank you so much. That surely is a wonderful gift from our dearest friends. Yung mga gifts po. Pabigay na po. Tapos picture taking. Palakpakan po natin sila. Picture taking po kasama ang David na. Okay, thank you so much. You may go back to your respective seats. Now let us proceed to our 18 bills. Calling all the 18 bills to please come in front. Nandito na po pa yung ating 18 bills. So let us start with Mr. Richard Oberes, Mr. Owen Oxibilio, Sergeant Carlos Enriquez, Major Teodoro Gaila, Sergeant Edwin Pasilyao, Mrs. Rose Laurente. Dr. Hilda Cabalinan. Mrs. Mercy Nepulio. Sorry po, hindi ko ma-pronounce. Engineer Willie Enriquez. Sergeant Carlito Buenavista. Okay po, sa 18, pero wala ang 18. Hindi na kami mapipilang yung 18,000 sayang. Okay po, representative na lang po doon sa mag-wish kay Dayan. Mr. Ray Bautista. Mrs. Rowena Bautista, Mrs. Angie Bautista, to be represented by Mr. Fernando Guevara. Yung sobre tayo. Joke lang po, joke lang. Okay, sino po pwedeng mag-wish para kay Dayan? Yung talagang may 1,000 pesos. Ang tonya po ng Cubao, si Mary Rose.
Happy birthday, Dayan. Yung baby namin, dalaga na ngayon. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana lahat ng pangarap mo makabot mo bago ka makapag-boyfriend. Matulungan mo yung mama mo para kay Janky. Sana, wish ko lang mabuo kayo ulit kahit ngayon wala si papa mo. Tapos, huwag mo sayangin yung pinaghirapan ng mama at papa mo para sa'yo. Sana pag mo maayos mo yung buhay mo para masuklian naman lang sila. Happy birthday.
Okay po, yung sobre daw po sa debutant, please. Yung sobre daw po. Yung sobre daw po. Tapos meron po tayo Victoria. Nagugutom na po kasi ako, pasensya na. Picture taking po muna kasama ang debutant. Thank you very much. Pwede po daw, picture taking sa everyone.
That was amazing. Okay.
Ang ipapalat lang po pala namin, meron tayong unlimited ice cream. Doon sa may baba, kaya na po kayo doon.
Kanta ko pero, yan. Kanta ko pero dito lang ako sa sulok. Kanta ko pero dito lang ako sa sulok. Wala sa beat, no? May technical problem. Hindi ko pwede. Hindi ko abot si Jessie.
May I call the parents of the baby fans, Miss Maria Fatima Guevara, her mother, to give us their parental message to the baby fans. Please give them a round of applause.
Lapit ako para mas maganda. To my dearest debutant, Diane, your birthday today is very special because it marks a beautiful journey that you have undertaken since you were born. Today, you have accomplished a small milestone in your life. At times, I wish you would have grown up so fast, but then I realized that it would keep us from seeing you turn into the beautiful young lady that you are today. You are no longer a kid who don't care about the world. You're slowly growing out of your teenage years. Don't let this opportunity to make the most out of it. Dream big and take chances in your life. But don't forget to aim for the highest peak that will bring you true happiness and fulfillment. You have always made us proud. Alam mo yan. Our blessings are always with you. May God bless you with all your desires. We are very proud to have you as our daughter. Welcome to maturity. Happy 18th birthday, anak. We love you so much.
Love you too. Mama, pwede ba ito umabot doon? Sa kubo. Kasi
nakikita niyo ako lahat or naririnig. Ganyan. So, hi! Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo ngayong gabi. Actually, wala akong na-prepare na speech o kahit ano. Kasi medyo kulang sa time and finals ngayon. Talagang stress tayo. Kahapon lalo, di ba? Pero ngayon, nandito tayo and natapos naman yung program. Kahit na hindi ganun ka-perfect or... Kasi sobra naman ako mag-expect and marami sa mga expectations ko yung hindi nga na-meet. Pero okay lang kasi nandito naman kayo kahit na sobrang busy and complicated nung schedule natin, nakapunta kayo. Tapos parang na-feel ko na kahit pa paano, important ako sa inyo. Actually, in-expect ko na makarating si Daddy, kaso hindi siya nakarating kasi nga hindi pinayagan. So medyo nakakalungkot yun. Tapos may ina-expect din ako na kala ko sasayaw, kaso wala din. Ayun, tapos medyo magulo rin yung cotillion, medyo na-late yung program, medyo maraming problema. Pero after pa rin ng lahat, natapos natin to and sana nag-enjoy naman kayo, di ba? Na kahit na talaga may mga problema, kasi wala namang perfect sa mundo, and kahit nga may mga problema tayong na-meet, pinagbigyan pa rin tayo ni Lord. Kasi hindi umulan, di ba? I-appreciate natin yun. And ayun, tapos nakarating nga kayo kahit na may mga nagsabi na hindi makakarating. Tapos yung venue, natuloy, kasi ito talaga yung dream ko. Yung gown, nagawa, tapos gustong-gusto ko rin to. Tapos simple lang yung make-up, hindi ako nagmukhang bakla, di ba? At least kahit sa mga simpleng bagay na yun, pinagbigyan tayo ni Lord, and that is a gift. Maraming salamat din kay Mama kasi nga tinulungan niya ako na matupad to. Kahit na medyo nahihilo siya sa program kasi nga ako yung gumawa nun, pati yung script, so medyo nalilito sila. Pero natapos natin. Guys, hindi pa tapos yung araw, so kahit medyo fail yung una natin, may swimming pa! Enjoy natin! Happy birthday to me! Love you guys!
오겠지도 지금 나지는 거지원 눈부시게 빛나 빈틈이 없지 넌 내 눈에 얼마나 예쁜지 I want you 지금 이대로 You're the only one 오겠지도 지금 나지는 거지원 눈부시게 빛나 빈틈이 없지 넌 내 눈에